Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and place it close to the car. Once done, set the Swift to ACC or on so the infotainment system is active, but the engine can stay off. Next, open the car's Bluetooth or phone menu and select Pair New Device. This initiates the handshake. You do this because the system broadcasts its Bluetooth name and expects a phone to respond. Being close and in ACC avoids power or connection interruptions. You now select your phone from the Swifts list. It should appear quickly if Bluetooth is active. After choosing it, watch both the car screen and your phone for a PIN or passkey and confirm they match. This prevents accidental pairing with another device. Make sure you accept permission prompts on your phone to share contacts and media, because without those permissions, hands-free calls and phone book access won't work. If prompted, set this connection as trusted or auto-connect for future use. You finish by confirming the Swift's audio source is set to Bluetooth and your phone's media output is directed to the car. Then test a call or music track. If pairing fails, first remove any existing Swift entries on your phone and the car's saved devices, then repeat the pairing steps. Stale profiles often block new connections. If problems persist, restart the phone or infotainment system and check for software updates, because outdated firmware can prevent successful Bluetooth handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.